Spot the green balloon inside and comment its location. What if oxygen disappeared for 5 seconds?
Suddenly losing all atmospheric oxygen for 5 brief seconds. The bright blue midday sky turns instantly pitch black. Bound together by oxygen molecules, every concrete building, bridge, and dam on Earth instantly collapses into fine powder. Starved of combustion oxygen, every internal combustion engine on Earth stalls simultaneously, causing mass transit chaos. Losing jet thrust instantly, thousands of commercial airplanes plunge helplessly from the sky toward the crumbling ground below. Losing 21% of atmospheric pressure instantly, every human eardrum on the planet violently explodes. Stripped of the protective ozone layer, unfiltered ultraviolet solar radiation instantly fries exposed human skin.
Lacking natural oxidation layers, raw metals touching each other instantaneously cold weld into solid fused lumps. Stripped of oxygen atoms, water molecules separate into free hydrogen gas, bleeding precious liquid mass into space.
Fact: oxygen makes up approximately 21% of Earth's atmosphere, acting as the critical binder for organic and chemical stability.
Composed of 46% oxygen, the entire Earth's crust disintegrates beneath your feet, plunging everything into freefall.
Inside living tissue, unbound hydrogen gas expands violently, rupturing biological cells from within. As 5 seconds expire, oxygen atoms instantly materialize back, creating a violent planetary pressure implosion. Returning oxygen violently ignites expanding hydrogen gas clouds, unleashing catastrophic planetary firestorms. Though only 5 seconds passed, human civilization and Earth's geography are irrevocably destroyed forever.
Without silica-oxygen bonding, glass and ceramics instantly fracture, showering cities in deadly razor-sharp debris cascades. Insulating oxides failing instantly, global electrical grids short-circuit simultaneously, plunging every continent into total dark silence. Concrete dams disintegrating into fine silt. Immense tidal waves unleash biblical floods upon unevacuated river valleys. Industrial pressure vessels failing without oxygen stability. Global chemical plants detonate in catastrophic toxic chain reactions.
The Dark Crow witnesses nature's ultimate collapse. Subscribe to Varysia Universe now for deep scientific breakdowns.
Losing structural integrity and cooling systems, nuclear power plants worldwide initiate unavoidable automatic thermal meltdowns. Tunnels crumbling as soil binder vanishes. Millions of subterranean commuters are instantly trapped in crushed earth tombs. Plant cell walls collapsing without oxygen water bonds. Global forests instantaneously wither into brittle dead kindling.
Fact: nearly half of Earth's solid crust consists of oxygen atoms bound with silicon, forming rock and soil stability.
Marine ecosystems vaporizing as seawater breaks into gas. Aquatic life faces immediate biological annihilation. Desert sand losing atomic binder structure. Massive dunes liquefy into fast-moving avalanches burying desert cities.
Medical oxygen supplies vanishing and synthetic tubing disintegrating. Hospital patients face immediate system collapse. Asphalt and concrete runways powdering instantly. Arriving aircraft crash into deep trenches of pulverized stone. The sudden collapse and return of atmospheric volume generates a global sonic boom, shattering surviving structures worldwide.
Sudden atmospheric density shifts disrupt satellite orbits, sending space hardware cascading back toward Earth's surface.
Pressure drops instantly boiling internal bodily fluids, triggering horrific decompression trauma throughout all mammalian tissues. Paper and parchment organic binders disintegrating completely. Centuries of human-written history vanish in 5 seconds. Every open flame on Earth snuffs out instantly, leaving behind cold embers and massive stagnant carbon gas clouds. Synthetic polymers lacking oxygen crosslinks shatter instantly, reducing modern consumer goods to worthless chemical dust.
Pausing the apocalypse for a second. Visualizing planetary destruction takes immense scientific physics modeling. Subscribe to Varysia Universe now.
Mountain peaks crumbling as granite silicate structures break. Colossal rock slides reshape mountain ranges instantly.
Factory automation instantly jams permanently as precision metal components cold weld together into unified steel blocks.
Fact: Oxygen accounts for nearly 89% of pure water by mass, making it the primary chemical constituent of Earth's oceans.
Without oxygen particles scattering sunlight, daylight loses soft ambient illumination, creating pitch-black, razor-sharp shadows. Fertile agricultural topsoil losing organic moisture and silicate bonding instantly vaporizes into massive global dust storms. Masterpiece oil paintings disintegrating as pigment binders fail. Humanity's greatest artistic treasures vanish forever. Concrete water towers disintegrating instantly. Urban clean water infrastructure ruptures into destructive residential floods. Reduced atmospheric density, allowing space debris to bypass frictional burning. Meteorites bombard Earth's surface directly. Even as oxygen returns, reforming the protective ozone shield takes hours, leaving surface life exposed to lethal solar radiation. 5 seconds without oxygen erases thousands of years of human engineering, reducing global infrastructure to unrecognizable rubble. Recombined gases creating unstable toxic compounds. Breathing returning air becomes lethal to surviving organic life. Trillions of living organisms dying within seconds. Earth experiences its fastest mass extinction event in geological history. Massive crustal displacement shifting global mass distribution. Earth's rotational axis suffers permanent destabilizing wobbles. Medical records and scientific databases ruined. Surviving humanity loses centuries of accumulated medical knowledge instantly. Power grid failure and fiber optic destruction severing all communication. Earth plunges into total global digital silence. Atmospheric temperature spikes and chemical shifts trigger hyperhurricanes and extreme global weather volatility instantly.
Fact: ozone consists of 3 bound oxygen atoms, and its total removal instantly exposes Earth to full-spectrum UVC radiation.
Striped of technology and shelter, surviving human pockets are thrust back into primitive pre-industrial survival conditions. Etched into geological rock strata forever, the 5-second event leaves a distinct extinction boundary mark in Earth's history. Deep-sea extremophile bacteria survive unaffected, holding the sole remaining biological blueprints for Earth's future evolution. Requiring millions of years for ecosystems to recover, Earth begins a slow, arduous biological re-evolution cycle. Demonstrating extreme vulnerability, our blue sanctuary depends entirely on invisible atmospheric elements we take for granted daily. Understanding atomic balance proves that life on Earth exists within an incredibly narrow and delicate chemical window. How much do you truly value the invisible air entering your lungs right now, at this very second?
The dark American crow flies over the altered world. Which survival consequence shocked you most? Comment your theory below.